From a small two-bedroom apartment in Mumbai to becoming Asia's richest man with a fortune over $100 billion. This is the story of Mukesh Ambani, the visionary behind Reliance Industries. His journey is not just about wealth, but about ambition, risk-taking, and the relentless pursuit of growth. Mukesh Ambani was born on April 19, 1957 in Yemen, where his father Dhirubhai Ambani worked. The family moved back to India in 1958. Unlike many billionaires who were born into extreme privilege, Mukesh's upbringing was modest. The Ambanis lived in a humble apartment, with no car, and sometimes even relying on public transport. His father Dhirubhai was a man with vision. He started Reliance as a small textile trading company in the 1960s. And young Mukesh grew up watching him transform dreams into reality. He once said, "My father encouraged me to always take the road less traveled. He told me, be a first-rate version of yourself, not a second-rate version of someone else." Hey, if you're into real down-to-earth money talks and mindset shifts that actually teach you something, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Point 1. Education and early career. Mukesh studied chemical engineering at the Institute of Chemical Technology in Mumbai. Later, he joined Stanford University for an MBA. But in 1981, his father called him back to India. Dhirubhai wanted him to help expand Reliance beyond textiles, into polyester, petrochemicals, and refining. This decision would change the trajectory of not just the Ambani family, but India's industrial future. As he always says, essentially whoever is successful, whoever is going to do things that make a difference, is going to be talked about. Point 2. Building Reliance Industries. In the 1980s and 1990s, under Mukesh's leadership, Reliance built one of the largest refining complexes in the world in Jamnagar, Gujarat. This was a bold gamble, but it paid off. The refinery transformed Reliance into a powerhouse in energy and petrochemicals. Reliance wasn't just about energy. The company diversified into telecom, retail, and technology. In 2016, Mukesh Ambani launched Reliance Jio, a move that disrupted India's telecom sector by offering cheap data and free calls. Within just a few years, Jio became the largest telecom operator in India with hundreds of millions of subscribers. As he'd say, "I think our fundamental belief is that for us growth is a way of life and we have to grow at all times." Mukesh Ambani's vision has always been long-term. While many businessmen focus only on profits, Mukesh focused on scale, accessibility, and technology for the masses. His philosophy is deeply tied to India's growth story. He once said, "It is important to achieve our goals, but not at any cost. We must always be mindful of our values and ethics." Ambani believes in building institutions that outlast individuals. His strategy has been to anticipate where India is headed, whether it was energy in the 90s, telecom in the 2000s, or digital transformation in the 2010s. Point 3. Wealth and lifestyle. Today, Mukesh Ambani lives in Antilia, a 27-story skyscraper in Mumbai, valued at billions of dollars. It is one of the most expensive private homes in the world. But despite the luxuries, he is known to keep a disciplined routine and a close-knit family life. His net worth stands at over $100 billion, making him not just Asia's richest man, but also one of the top 10 richest people on the planet. Point 4. Legacy. Mukesh Ambani's journey is a story of resilience, risk-taking, and vision. From helping his father expand a small textile company to building one of the largest business empires in the world, Ambani represents the possibility of India's rise on the global stage. He also said, "Everybody has equal opportunity, and I think that is true for everything." And that is the journey of Mukesh Ambani, the man who dared to dream big and built Reliance into a global giant. His story is far from over, as Reliance now moves into green energy, digital technology, and beyond. If you love this video and you want more of this, give it a like, subscribe, and share. Videos like this take weeks of research, writing, and care to create. Don't just watch and go away. Drop your thoughts in the comments section. I'd love to hear what learnt about the richest man in India. I'll see you on the next one.